Always something.
We are doing a hunt because stop done.
What are you doing?
Wow.
I'm not comfortable.
We'll take the. I need the purple still.
Quanto você gostou, gente? Ninguém gente, tá clara já? It's okay, baby. It's okay, baby. Kisses. Why are you crying for the eggs? Come here.
Yes? $5 to stop crying?
Let's toast fair.
Okay, let's get ready so we can go to Steven's birthday dinner. And yeah, I think I was gonna put red and gold. Somewhat I end up with brown and gold. Right? Brown and black. God, what am I? Yeah, and I'm out to a brunch. Like, she won't even know that. That's the sad part.
I think they got too excited. They used to pull my eyelid if I just wish. That
Judge it for the first time. Okay, we would give them try something for the first time. Like when we make this, we try to believe Ali. Oh my God, the sun is giving.
this is blocking my eyes, so
Yeah, I think I'm blind. The points? Okay. Qui not Ki. What's it called? This? Well, Fatima, I don't know what's going on with y'all. Y'all car always something. I into the restaurant. Okay, there's the name. I don't know why it's here, but I've never been here before. So we're gonna try it for the first time. I don't like the vibe. Thank you. On vient là sans manger. Regardez.
on va aller avec 100 pesos.
Ça prend tout le temps pour le river. Ça même l'arriver à 6h. 6h20. Mais 6h20, nous avons fait qu'à bien. Même quand on a combien. Wendy dit le préparer depuis à 3h.
Depuis à 3h préparé.
Stevie a même fermé comme il est pas. Oh, Jessie, il y aurait Stevie. They all finally come. Oh. Côté mon nom. Cindy, where's Stevie? I can't believe I'm finally ready to eat now. Am I the only one that don't like a picture that don't a menu that don't have no pictures? Because this menu, that's not it. On sait pour moi manger dans menu, on regarde mon fils qui danser. Si, on frappe combien? Ça dit on cherche dans le boîte wine. Ah, bah là c'est bon.
Where's the fries?
Of course, c'est comme ça déjà. Le grand rabat, nous comme ça. Des fois, c'est à Wendy. Wendy, c'est que mourir là, vous êtes la face. Oh. Tu sais, il a mangé à nous deux, aujourd'hui.
One of the fries is from...
Tu chérie.
Thank you.
Jennifer.
Thank you. It makes me feel so good. I feel like I want to go to sleep. It's weird. I feel like I want to go to sleep. I had already feel sleepy anyways, but like now I feel like I want to sleep. Why are you playing so small?
Jennifer. Mais si avant nous serons pas espagnol, je vais dire oui, nous avons un discount. Bah, mais ça.
Si, papito. Si, I'm looking for papi.
Ah.
Stick.
Ouais. C'est un cresson.
Oh, yeah. Even the phone there, I'm pretty something like that.
Well, moi j'ai dit là, quand même, je dit, on m'a fait ça.
Take a ladder.
Donc ça vit ici.
But it tastes different though. It's a different culture too. Do that shit.
Dis à grainer.
Sorry, like something. Whenever you do pictures, so I post their name.
Keep going. Okay, that's all the stuff that I went and bought in those 3 stores. So, 3 stores, yeah. I think I have 2 times. I gotta go to Dollar Tree. I ain't go to Dollar Tree. So, my daughter fell asleep now. That's funny word. I was trying to put 2 accounts so I can get money taken out immediately to go to my saving.
I don't know how that works.
The cake was patching over.
Whoa. So I brought this little cake.
I think I was going to do something. I'll show you guys what I look like later.
I was ugly, so excuse my nails. We're gonna do it to see how it's gonna look like. Ooh. Ooh, okay, okay. Glitter everywhere. I don't think that's a good idea. I'll come back.
So, 8 burgers. Instead of the good burgers, so I can make the patty.
So that's the thing.
I haven't made the drink yet, so I gotta make the. Surprise!
What? Oh my god! Oh my god! What? Cheers!
Coach Cindy!
I'm gonna share. Okay, big bougie.
I wish.
That is a big bougie.
I wish.
Cindy just drinking her
Why
life
gotta be
away.
Alright, I'll see you later.
No, where's Stevie now? Where's Stevie now?
Nobody, I'll take a picture with the birthday girl.
I can't see her.
You have to go that way. She's all in my face. You see it now?
Yeah.
There she go, right there.
Can't zoom. It's okay. You can't zoom in the front.
Oh.
It's Fatima out for me. You look like a lemon.
And you look
No, lime. I look like a lemon. You look like a lime.
I hate you.
Baby. Hi, Mommy. Why do you have a camera in your bag?
Cute.
Where's the kid?
Little Frenchie.
Can she get some stuff away?
Eddie did a good job. Well, nous changeons pas d'annonce, va vrai, baby? Nous changeons pas d'annonce, donc t'es frère.
Yes, we did.
It is not cool.
Gotta be something.